Holy shit. Jamaican food truck in Nashville. We got jerk chicken, rasta pasta, dirty rice, yams, and mac and cheese with a peach mango tropical drink. 18th in Clarksville. It's painted as a Jamaican flag. This was really like $30, $35. Said just cash app them 25. Jerk chicken. Definitely tastes of smoke, but I wish it was seasoned a little more. Rasta pasta. Just tastes like Alfredo with peppers in it. Mac and cheese. Tastes like Velveeta mac and cheese. Let's see what the yams hitting on. Lack of a better term, I wish they were a little more wet. Dirty rice. Dirty ass rice. This is the cure to a hot summer day. Kisser. Damn. Rasta pasta, definitely my favorite side. The dirtier I get with this rice, the better it's tasted. Mac and cheese, the ass aside. Chicken annihilated. Final bite. Post-game interview. Definitely looked better than it tasted. Tasted more like smoke than jerk. Maybe I'm just tripping. Velveeta mac and cheese. Dirtier I got with the rice, the better it tasted. Pasta was pretty good. Yams needed to be more wet. 0 to 10, 5 average. 5. Juice was delicious. And the dudes there were really cool. They had a bunch of other options, so maybe I got the wrong things. Deuces.